Seek iNF is an anywhere, anytime cloud-based solution for searching SEC filings and getting accurate results in seconds. Never depend on pre-canned data for information again with Seek iNF. Because of the cloud-based nature of this service, you can access it instantly from any mobile device including iPhones, iPads, and other Android devices. It is also accessible from any computer through any browser, so nothing stands in your way. In seconds, you will have access to a database of SEC filings that will allow for easy search by paragraph, table, footnote, audit report, SOX 404 reports, MD&A, search by SIC or CIK codes, and by one filing type or any type of filing. You can even search the records for one specific company, a set of companies inside an industry, or all companies. Seek iNF allows for download of a CSV file, which can be opened in Microsoft Excel. The search also makes it simple to find more of what you want and less of what you don't by using basic Boolean logic. Seek iNF allows input of text into 4 distinct search operatives. Search for documents with an exact phrase match of your search. Seek iNF allows you to obtain the number of occurrences of a particular word or phrase once you put it into the exact phrase slot. Search for documents with all of the words in the input text. Search for documents that contain at least one or more of the words that are input, or all documents that do not contain a specific word. Seek iNF also gives you information about what it's searching for and information about the documents that you are finding. Easily find the number of occurrences of a word or phrase in a search document, or the total word count of a document in the results. You can even find the distributions of the top 20 words with or without stop words, and distributions of all words, downloadable in Microsoft Excel. Once you've made your search, above the preview window is a compare button. Once you click on it, it will allow you to compare filings of a company for 2 separate years. You can then compare the 2 documents on a word-by-word or a line-by-line basis, and you can even get the word counts and word distributions of the 2 documents. For the first example, I will show you how to search for documents containing keywords. Let us suppose that you want to get all of the 10Ks that contain the words futures, options, swaps, and hedging. Begin by typing all these words in the text box labeled with all of these words. Be sure to separate all search keywords with only a space. On the right, select the 10K checkbox under the Annual Reports subheading. Next, in the Company Input box, you can leave that set to all, so we're searching all companies. Whenever you leave the company box blank or just don't input any text, it will always default to the All Companies criteria. For this example, we will search for documents from 1994 to 2013. Just below that, you can select the resolution type. Select Paragraph. Seek iNF begins to search documents and in seconds have the results. The panel on the left gives you details about the companies in a set of 20. Above the list, you can select the Download Results button to download the output into Excel. The center panel displays the paragraphs within the document that contain the searched words, all highlighted in yellow. On the right, the panel contains the total word count along with the distribution of the top 20 words with and without the stop words. For the second example in this video, we will go a bit deeper to see the presence of multiple phrases. First, type in our phrases: bonus plans, stock options, and equity incentives inside the with the exact phrase box. Since they are multi-word phrases and not just single-word terms, be sure to add a plus sign between each phrase. On the right side, click the DEF 14A checkbox under the Proxies and Other Filings subheading. And let's make sure that we only see the results between 1994 and 2013. After clicking the search button, we have 1,729 results in seconds. For the third example, we're going to look at the presence of some and absence of other exact phrases. Suppose you want to see all the companies that have mentioned the phrase bonus plans for the things we want, and then add a hyphen in front of the stock options and a hyphen in front of the equity incentives to tell Seek iNF that we don't want those phrases in our results. You can think of this as the simple add and subtract sort of phrasing. We add multiple phrases with the plus symbol and subtract phrases with the minus symbol, which is placed before the phrase in question. Suppose also that you want to search only in the DEF 14A documents category and only between 1994 and 2013, much like our previous examples. For a practice run with data from 2002, go to www.seekinf.com:8443 and click on the Search button in the middle of the top menu bar. You can also register for a 1-week free trial with 21 years of data at www.seeketgar.com.